Okay, so very good morning, everybody. Today I want to discuss over very sensitive and important topic because all the preliminary examination for RRB, banking, SSC has confined in a single body known as NRA, National Recruitment Agency, and through this the Common Eligibility Test CET will be conducted, right? And the Union Cabinet has passed this resolution, and hopefully in this Parliament session this act will be passed, right? So what is the benefit of this NRA? The most importantly, we always give a different type of preliminary examination. We spend a lot of money, we also spend a lot of time to read this and that. We read when it comes to curricula, and the curriculum of banking is different from SSC, and the curriculum of railway and some different from both of these. So this is a kind of hesitation, and you spend a lot of money as well for filling the forms and timing and etc. So for they discussed over, and they sorting out this issue. Actually, the Union Cabinet has proposed resolution. They passed that resolution, and the NRA will be the body of all kind of preliminary examination for B grade and C grade jobs, right? And one more important thing is that the preliminary marks will be eligible for next 3 years. This is the most important thing. And after preliminary examination, the respective bodies for staff selection committee or Indian banking personnel selection or railway recruitment board will conduct their tier 2nd and tier 3rd examinations. So this is the most important thing, and this is really beneficial for students, at least. And one more important thing, that the examination centers will be established in the rural areas as well, and that will definitely a huge step. The girls and women's and the rural area, the student who belongs to rural area will be benefited most. And one more important change is that now examination will be conducted in different languages, different regional languages. So this is really huge. And and there is upper age limit as and the relaxation for upper age limit SC, ST and OBC, as earlier it was. And the important thing, you can give as many attempts as you want. There is no restrictions of attempt. And if suppose you have taken given an examination and you get a rank, so suppose you get a lower rank and you are not satisfied with this rank, but still you qualified the criteria, then next time you also can try again. You can try, and if you get the more marks than previous one, that your previous will be rejected, and your next the marks that you got next examination will be eligible. But if you did not get the desired result, your previous mark will be remain in effect. So this is the most important thing of NRA, and hopefully everybody will be benefited for this move. And again, at least I will be benefited, I'm sure, because I the cost will be reduced, because there is only single NRA will be conducted. CET, Common Eligibility Test, will be conducted. So this is huge, and I congratulate to Union Cabinet, and also hopeful I am also hopeful that in this parliament session, which is going to be kicked off recent soon, and the both of the I mean these acts will be tabled and will be passed overwhelmingly. So thank you very much.